Welcome to the Craft Cocktail. I'm Derek.
I'm Dan.
Is Dan. Dan, you're new to the show. Well, it's a different channel. Combat Cocktails. You've probably seen Dan before, but he's never been here.
No.
So if you're only watching the Craft Cocktail, this is completely new.
He never usually lets me on the sophisticated side. No, it's just.
I don't want to.
Yeah.
I don't want you to gum it all up.
Yeah, it's only when it's live and.
So Dan is going to make for us. What are we drinking? This is the Gin Fizz.
I love fizz.
You know why? It's like a gin fix with carbonation.
And everybody needs a good fix.
Yeah. And then
this is how you bubbles.
This is how you fix the gin fix.
Yeah,
with
exactly.
Fizz. So
You
build
fizz
me
the fix.
in here 2 ounces of London Dry Gin. For that, I'm going to use Bulldog. 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. 1 ounce of club soda, and a ½ ounce or whatever you can get for egg white. I typically use whatever I can. I don't even want to talk about the egg white situation here, but getting egg white out sometimes can be a challenge.
Yeah, it was a little difficult.
So I'm going to say there's a ½ ounce egg white.
I think so.
If it's a whole ounce, it's just going to make it silkier, smoother, and better.
Yeah.
So you're going to dry shake this. I think there's a video. I'm going to put my finger here because I think there's a video up there for how to dry shake. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to shake the entire cocktail without the club soda because fizz explodes under shaking.
Yeah, that definitely won't help.
And then you're going to shake it all without that with no ice. Then after you do that for 15 seconds, you're going to pour it on my camera. You're going to... That's why the camera's there.
I'm getting there.
You're going to dry shake that aggressively for 15 seconds. Then you're going to add the ice. Then you're going to wet shake it for 10 seconds.
You got to start off a little slow first, though. You don't want that thing to...
Yeah,
up.
You don't want... No.
I can already feel it.
Yeah, see? The problem with a dry shake is the seal never really completes, so you got to be careful. I had a napkin. I didn't give it to you because I thought you were more pro, but...
I got it.
And I'm just giving you a hard time.
I got it.
So now he adds the ice, and we're good to go. This drink is pretty old. 1862, not much different than the Fizz or the Fix. Jerry Thomas, again, the bartender's guide to how to mix drinks. The original recipe was sugar and lemon juice. That's it.
That's it.
That might not... Oh, they had 2 dashes of egg white.
2 dashes of egg white?
Yeah.
How do you get a dash of egg white?
I don't know. I don't know.
I mean, from the hole you put in that egg when we were trying to get the egg white.
I could get a dash.
You could have got 2 dashes of egg white.
Yeah, that's true. But, and then they used a soda siphon because they didn't really have Q Tonic back then. Or Q Club or any real bottled club sodas. So you did it with a soda siphon. Because you could. And that should be good because we have a nice clear piece of ice, which you're not even going to see, but whatever.
You will.
It's pretty. Shake out so you get you want the foam to lie on the top. It's awesome. And then after a few seconds, it's gonna the color's gonna kind of yellowify, and the top's gonna be a nice little white cap.
Then we have to add the club soda.
Yeah. Okay. Doesn't it look awesome?
Yes.
Ready?
That's what I love about egg drinks.
Oh, look at the foam.
Oh, see that? It's like Alka-Seltzer.
It is, and it does the same thing. Oh, actually, it probably make you less tired.
See that? When you're drinking that at work and your boss is like, what are you drinking? You're like, oh no, it's for my stomach. It's just Alka-Seltzer.
Yeah, it's for my stomach.
Yeah.
I think, I still have a little bit in here. You think I can get it in without it?
Oh, you can do it.
Look at this. Dude, it's like one of the snow cone drinks.
It's a cloud.
Look at it.
It's a cloud of heaven.
Oh, I'm going to love this.
Gin, lemon juice.
I don't really know if I can get any of the actual liquid.
You're going to get a mustache.
Ooh. So the Fix, we said, was kind of like an alcoholic lemonade. That's drier than a Fix.
Yeah.
Because the egg white, I think. Could also be just the ratios of this has, I don't know, more sugar maybe? I don't even remember what the old drink was. But egg white tends to dry stuff out. It kind of coats your tongue a little bit. It's smooth, it's silky, but it has that lemon flavor. And
yeah, it's less...
I'm not getting too much gin. I guess it could also be the dryness.
It's less sour.
This is true.
Than the Fix.
Yeah. It's
definitely lighter.
It is. It's light, refreshing. This is kind of, I don't know if I'd call this like a porch rocker because it's a lot of work to make a drink that you're going to sit on the porch and enjoy.
Yeah.
But
unless you get like our pre-made cartoned egg whites.
Oh yeah. You could do that.
So you could do that.
I would do that. Get a little egg beaters or whatever.
Yeah.
Use that, and you can build these. You could probably make them on the porch.
Exactly.
Shake it up, be good to go. And the dry shake is optional. What the dry shake's gonna do is get you the nice foamy head. If you don't necessarily need it, then whatever.
You got to do the dry shake because you need the head.
I know it's really nice.
Because then when you pass it out to everybody, it's like ooh, and you give it enough time for it to come up and sit.
That'll sit on there for 30 minutes. Well,
yeah.
If this drink lasts 30 minutes, there's a problem.
That's true.
At least a good 5 to 10 minutes, and that foam is gonna sit wrapped up.
Yeah.
That's the beauty of an egg white shake. So you want to use egg whites in your cocktails. That's why they did it back in the 1800s. That's why we do it today.
Yeah, and they probably had a lot of chickens back then too, so they were like,
I'm sure.
what are we gonna do with these eggs?
I have more chickens than humans.
He's like, drink that shit.
Yeah, I don't know how many humans there were, but there's probably a lot of chickens.
Exactly.
And farms.
Oh, a lot of farms.
Right. So there is your justification for making a good, proper Gin Fizz. You can download the ebook where you're going to get all these recipes. You can drink along with us, taste as each of the series goes, and it's going to be a good time. That link is right below. Click on it, homecocktailmenu.com, download, and you're going to thank me later or right now.
And all your friends are going to thank you because then you're going to make better drinks.
That's the goal, to make better drinks. That's how we suggest you make the Gin Fizz.
Exactly.